super quick unboxing of this Nivea Men's moisturising cream, basically anti-age HYALURON Instant Hydro Gel, Pro Retinol, 24-hour moisture. To be honest, I have no idea what any of this means. Basically, it's probably just good for your skin. A lot of marketing, I find, goes into these things. I really don't know how much difference they make. Maybe there is some science, maybe there isn't. Recycled, we like that. Comes in this rather sleek container. I always do feel that the more words on the package, the more fancy words, the more sleeker the container, basically you're paying a higher price. Is it better than something else? Who knows? I think you guys tell me in the comments. Nivea Men on there. It's quite nice for travel. Obviously it sort of locks it in the way, it doesn't get messy. And you get, what, 50 ml in there. So that should go on an aeroplane too when you're traveling. So that's it, a very quick unboxing.